Hello, 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 everyone. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet. Happy Tuesday. Um, Today is Technique Tuesdays from A to Z, and today is letter M. If you guessed the mesh stitch, you are absolutely correct. Way to go to those ones who guessed correctly. Next week will be the letter N. N is in Nancy. So I have a little prize that I'm going to draw for out of all the names that guessed the letter N correctly. So be sure to put your guess in the comments below. And if you guess the letter N correctly, then your name goes in a drawing for a prize. So today is the mesh stitch. It's very simple. If you can crochet a chain and a double crochet, then you're not going to have any problem at all with this stitch. So let's go over to the table and let's see how this stitch is done. All right, everyone, we're here to, excuse me, we are here at the table. I got a little tickle in my throat. And we are going to start this mesh stitch. And let me zoom in just a little bit where you can see this good. All right, I'm just using a worsted weight yarn, and I'm using the my I 5.5 millimeter furls hook. You just use whatever hook and yarn you would prefer for your project. And so you want to start off your mesh stitch by crocheting an even number of chains. For this tutorial, I just did 12, but you're going to crochet an even number of chains to the size that fits the pattern that you're working on. Okay, so what we want to do first is we're going to go 6 chains from the hook. Now you don't count the hook here, you start counting with this chain right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and in this 6th chain from the hook we're going to place a double crochet. All right, and what that does is this is now considered your first double crochet in the mesh. So you have 3 stitches along the bottom, or 2 stitches along the bottom, 3 stitches on the side, and then 1 for your chain stitch. All right, so then what you're going to do is you're going to chain 1, and then you're going to skip a stitch and put another double in the next stitch, and you do this all the way across. Chain 1, skip the stitch, put a double in the next stitch. Okay, chain 1, skip a stitch, and put a double in the last stitch. And that is row 1. All right, for row 2, we're going to turn our work and we're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That chain acts like your first double crochet and your chain 1. So then now all we're going to do is we're going to yarn over and we're going to put a double crochet on top of each one of these doubles. Okay, so double here. Whoop. My yarn is wanting to split. Double, chain 1, double on top of the next double, chain 1, double on top of the next double, chain 1, and then you have your stitch here in the chain that counts as your chain, and then this is the top of the chain 3. So then we're going to put our last double right here in the top of the 3rd chain. And that's what you're going to repeat each time. So there's row 1 and there's row 2. All right, for row 3 and on, we're just going to repeat what we did in the 2nd row. Turn your work, chain 4, 2, 3, 4, which counts as a double and a chain 1, double crochet in the top of that next double, chain 1, double crochet in the top of the next double, chain 1, crochet at the top of the next double. You're going to do that all the way across your project for however many double crochets you have. Chain 1, and then you count 1, 2, 3 chains, and you put a double crochet in the top of that chain 3. And that's what you're going to repeat until you get your project the size that you want it, and you will have a mesh that looks like that. Pretty simple. As long as you know how to do a double crochet, you're good to go. So I hope you enjoyed the mesh stitch and learning how to do this. I would love to see a project that you've made with this stitch. So next Tuesday will be the letter N. So be sure in the comments that you place a guess on what you think will be the letter N. And I have a special prize where I'm going to draw one name from all the correct guesses to win this special prize next week. So put your guesses for the letter N for next week, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video today. I really appreciate it very much. And let's get Critters Crochet to 2,000 subscribers. Hashtag Critters Crochet, road to 2K. So if you like this tutorial, there are lots more. So please like, comment, and subscribe to Critters Crochet. And make sure that you tap that notification bell so that you don't miss any videos when they come up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.